Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Shimano shifter position. First, gather your tools. You will primarily need a 5mm hex wrench. Next, make sure your bike is securely positioned, either on a repair stand or leaning safely. This stability is crucial for precise adjustments. Finally, take a moment to locate the main clamp bolt on your shifter body, which typically faces the front of the bike. With your 5mm hex wrench, carefully insert it into the clamp bolt. Turn the wrench counterclockwise just enough to allow the shifter to move freely, but not so loose that it spins uncontrollably. Now, gently slide the entire shifter and brake lever assembly along the handlebar. Experiment with different positions until you find a spot that feels more natural and comfortable for your hands. Once you have a general position, sit on your bike to get a real feel for the shifter's placement. Adjust the angle of the shifter and brake lever, as well as its distance from your hand, until it feels perfectly ergonomic. This fine-tuning ensures comfortable and efficient shifting. When satisfied, carefully tighten the clamp bolt clockwise. Make it firm, but avoid over-tightening, which could damage your handlebars or shifter. After tightening, perform a thorough check. Shift through all your gears, both up and down, to ensure smooth and precise operation. Also, confirm that your brake levers are easily accessible and provide full braking power without any interference. A properly positioned shifter enhances both comfort and control on your rides. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you going strong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.